Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Haley and we do all things makeup. And today we're going to be doing this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So if you want to learn how to do it, keep on watching. I'm going to take Love Ya and Yes Please and put that all in my crease on a primed eyelid. Tiny circles back and forth. And swiping that outwards, give me a sort of wing. Taking a little bit of No Shade, I'm also going to add that into my crease and deepen that up. Also taking High BB, the lightest shade, and we're going to blend that up to my brow bone. I'm then going to cut my crease all the way across with Plouise. One of those days where my eye just won't stop watering. Take a little flat packing brush. I'm gonna take No Shade, No Tea together, and I'm just gonna deepen this line up. Now that we have that cut, blended, and all feathered out, I'm gonna take Dance Party by Jaclyn Hill, and we're gonna create a wing with that pink. I'm going to deepen that up by taking a little bit of Crazy from the same palette. I'm also going to blend that underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to take Simping from the Mikayla X Glamlite Part 1 palette, and I'm going to fill in on top, and also using Glazed by Mikayla's Part 2 palette. I'm going to take my Nyx Jumbo eye pencil and black bean. First I'm going to tightline my eyes. I'm also going to do the bottom. So I'm just going to kind of make a wing out with the pink that we already made in black, and then we're going to blend that out into the pink. Taking the same pink brushes we were using from earlier, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out. Taking the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Lashes, I'm gonna apply them babies. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would want to see next from me, and subscribe if you do want to see more from me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I'm done.